Hello, beautiful you out there. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Cora V. Thank you for watching my videos. And if today is your first time or you just chanced on this video, I'll urge you to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like it. Share again and then leave a comment, especially where you are watching me from. Thank you once again. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for the support and love you are showing onto me. Okay, so today I just want to share with you how I fight my cold and cough. This is a simple recipe Mama used to do for us when we were young, and we are still doing it, yes, as adults. And I know a lot of people are aware of this particular recipe. It's not a big deal, be yes. So first off, these are our ingredients for this particular recipe. So I took 7 large pieces of ginger, a handful of Negro pepper, and then 2 pieces of lime. I wanted to add, or we normally add what's the name, honey as a form of sweetener to this particular drink or juice, but I don't have any at home, so I will make use of sugar rather. So we go ahead and wash our ingredients thoroughly. The ginger, you have to wash it very well because um we are using it as it is. We are not peeling it, we are not taking the peels off, because the peel, most of the nutrients in this particular ginger, it's in the peel, so we are not peeling it off, we are just using everything like that. So you can crush your ginger or you can blend your ginger, like use your blender to either crush it or blend it, not roughly chopped or roughly blended. Yeah, we just need the hotness and the taste. Yeah. We also go ahead and crush our negro pepper. You can use your um, wooden masher to crush it, or you can better still use your hands to just break it. We are doing this for the taste or the sweetness or whatever nutrient that is in the negro pepper to be infused into our juice. So that's what we are going to do. Then we'll add it to our drink in order to have that flavor, the negro flavor in the juice. So our ginger is ready. We then go ahead and add our negro pepper to it. And then our lime. You cut the lime into 2 equal parts and drop it in the um concoction. Yeah, then we add water to it. Be careful of the water, don't over add water, otherwise you not get the hotness of the juice. We just want that hotness that will work in our throat, you understand. So I added 2 glasses of water to this one. I don't want it to be a mild, I want it to be hot. Yes, so be careful when we're adding water, and you can always add water when you drink this and it's finished. You can add a little water to it and warm it again and drink later. That is if you still want to still take it, or you can do another one too. So we've been cooking this for 7 minutes now, and I went ahead and added my sugar. I just added 2 tablespoonful of sugar. You will not add plenty because we don't want it to be too sweet. We just want to add this sweetener to it so we can drink it easily. And after 10 minutes, our juice or drink is ready. We allow it to cool off a little bit. Then I strain it and drink. So our juice is ready or our drink is ready. This is good for cold and cough. Cough especially. I'm using it to treat cough as we speak. And in case you want to try this recipe, make sure to drink it warm, because when you cough, you have to add warm things into your throat, and be sure not to drink ice water, anything icy. When you are using this particular juice, don't drink ice water so that your cough can go as quick as possible. I strain this. There is no particular order of drinking this particular juice. You can drink it morning, afternoon, and evening, or sip it little by little, depending on how severe your cough is. So, guys, finally, we are done with our juice. Thank you for staying true with me to this point. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'll urge you to subscribe and like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.